Hi, I'm Griffin Cataldo, and this report is coming to you from eastern Massachusetts, where the air temperature is 21 degrees and on the decrease tonight with a bit of a northwesterly breeze, west northwesterly, at about 16 miles per hour tonight, heading in that west northwesterly direction. For your weather headlines, Thursday's storm looks more or less like a bust situation. I think it's going to be, if anything, southern areas, and that would be mainly Nantucket, perhaps the southern Cape coastline, stuff that we'll be watching over the next few days. One thing I can tell you for sure is after that Thursday storm passes, it'll once again, similar to how the last storm over a few days ago increased our winds, this one on Thursday will increase our winds for Friday after it passes us, but it doesn't look like it'll be super significant or anything like that. Just something to be wary of. For tonight, clouds that exist now will clear. And then west of Worcester is likely to be a pretty cloudy night. Otherwise, it's a few passing clouds in the temps 6 to 19 degrees, in the winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. And a bit of a northwesterly breeze for tonight. So the difference is now kind of same principle as last night. Eastern areas, they're going to be the warmest because they can't get as deep into the cold pockets of the air. In the west, they'll be a bit colder. Only difference is the Cape will be a bit warmer as well because of the breeze off the water, which will be keeping it at about 19 degrees for the city. We'll be in the mid-teens for tonight. For tomorrow, it's a mostly sunny day, and then clouds increase towards the evening, but they should clear for the second half of the night tomorrow night. Otherwise, a few passing clouds with the temps 18 to 28 degrees, winds west-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. I think your best shot at getting 20-mile-per-hour winds might be in the morning. By the time we get to the evening and close to sunset, it's more like 10-mile-per-hour winds or so. And if you're in southern Connecticut, you may have a few cirrus clouds, some wispy clouds floating through the airways as we head into tomorrow. As we head into Thursday, we are watching a storm, but it's looking like it's going to trend south of Boston anyway, and I think south of the majority of southern England, but it may clip the Cape and perhaps Nantucket. Stuff that I'm watching right now, I don't see great symmetry with the models that suggest that we're going to get much snow for the Cape, Nantucket, but then there are some that do. So, for example, this is a bit of the Futurecast on the HRRR, a little bit of a closer data model that we look at, and you notice it trends it way offshore. Now, if we flip it to the global GFS model that kind of model storms out a bit further out, you can tell it kind of has this storm perhaps clipping the Nantucket coastline. So I wanted to wait a bit to get a little bit more symmetry with the models. So perhaps tomorrow, to where then I can say, okay, this is where for sure we're going to get a bit of snow on maybe Nantucket and the southern Cape as well. Stuff that I'll be watching over the next few days. But if I see that tomorrow, then I'll probably go ahead and make a snowfall map. Just not enough symmetry yet to go ahead and make a map. I want to see where this storm trends for tomorrow. So keep your eye out for that. Otherwise, 7-day forecast will show you it's mostly sunny tomorrow. And then clouds increase by evening. But the second half of the evening fares to be okay, about 27 degrees, and then it's a mostly cloudy day for your Thursday. Perhaps that storm down south. We'll be keeping an eye on that one. Friday's partly cloudy, and the winds will increase, but it's not anything crazy. I think we're kind of just going from about 5 to 10 mile per hour winds on Thursday back up to maybe 10 to 20 mile per hour winds. And then you can see for the next 4 days after Thursday, it's going to be partly cloudy with temps in the 30s. Take a look at Tuesday, 42 degrees, and partly cloudy skies once again. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your night.